Stop letting Facebook ruin your photo quality. If your upload looks blurry or dull, you are using the wrong export settings. And in this video, I'll show you how to export perfectly for Facebook using mobile Lightroom, Photoshop, and Lightroom CC. So let's see. The fact is, Facebook compresses every image you upload. So if your export setting is not right, it will kill the quality, making your photos look soft or pixelated or faded. That's why it's super important to export with correct dimensions, file type, and sharpening option. So let's start with the mobile Lightroom. After all the editing, tap the share icon and go to the export as option. Set the file type to JPG. And then the most important setting here is the dimension. Select here custom, and in the long S type 2048 pixels. Quality 80 to 90%. That works really good. And now come to the more options. And here set the output sharpening to screen, amount standard, and set the color space to sRGB. Now go back and hit the export icon. And boom, your photo is ready for Facebook upload. I have personally tried different kind of resolutions, less than or more than 2048 pixels. But honestly, the best result always come out when I set the long S to 2048 pixels exactly. And this is the maximum Facebook allows. So I recommend you to stick to that. It is the sweet spot. So now let's see how to export for Facebook in Photoshop. So after all the editing, go to the file, and then export and export as. Set the format to JPG and quality all the way to high. And now here is the trick. If your photo is a portrait, then the longest is the height. So set to 1048 pixels in the height box. And if it's a landscape, then the longest is the width. Okay. And now set the resample to preserve details and make sure your color space is set to sRGB. Now just click on the export button and it's done. And now let's do the same in the Lightroom CC. Go to the file, export, and here under file setting, set image format to JPG and set the quality to around 80 to 90%, color space to sRGB. Okay. And now come to the image sizing option, and that's tricky. Active resize to fit and select here long S. Again, put here 2048 pixels. That's done. And now come to the output sharpening option and set the sharpen for screen. And that's done. Now click on the export and it's done. And that's how you avoid Facebook ruining your photos. Stick to these export settings. Your uploads will look clean, professional, and sharp. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.